Hi, I'm Sarah, and you are watching Ken Sarah DIY It. Today I am co-hosting with my friend Tammy from Happiness Created, an awesome playlist with a giftaway of over $100. Come on. Our theme is Christmas in July, and we are doing a collaboration with all woodpeckerscrafts.com affiliates. So check out the playlist. It's not a big one. You need to watch the videos, comment on the videos, and you will be entered to win that awesome prize. So stay tuned for that. Today, I'm gonna do something that I've already done, but I had a bunch of different ideas for these and I only did one. So I'm gonna do another one today, and it is using the wooden bowling pins and the 2-inch wooden ball. So I'm making a set, and it's going to be winter themed, not so much Christmas, but more winter, and it is going to be amazing. Okay, if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, comment. That helps YouTube notice me and show me to other awesome, amazing, incredible people just like you. Okay, so let's get into the video and see what trouble I get into, and see if I make a mess or I make something pretty. Oh, why does this always happen to me?
Why does this always happen to me?
Are you serious right now? Ugh. I like how it didn't get any on the gloved hand, but look at my ungloved hand. Annoying. Let's put the lid on this sucker so you can do no more harm. Let's start painting this. Ooh, this color is nice. It is called Night Sky. I just got these new paints at Walmart when I went. My friend Connie, just the first coat, so it's fine. Woodpeckerscrafts.com is such an amazing website. They have awesome prices, and all of the stuff that they sell on there is unfinished wood, very good quality, and I have been using their products for years and years. Probably you have too if you've ever bought a wood bead off Amazon. Those are usually from Woodpeckers Crafts, but you can go directly to woodpeckerscrafts.com and use my code Sarah DIY and then the number 5, all one word, and get an additional 5% off your purchase today. And by commenting on my video and the other ones in the playlist, you are entering to win a $100 plus gift box from Woodpeckers Crafts with all holiday themed wood, like unfinished blanks. It's awesome. I will post a picture here. There you go. Okay, 150, that's good. This is the grit, and 150 for what I'm doing is perfectly fine. Oh, okay. Why do the paper towels have to be so far away, right? Okay, so I am going to dry brush these a little bit. Okay, this is one that hasn't been distressed versus one that has. This has a little bit less distressing, so you can really just do what you want when it comes to the distressing. Okay, I did a bunch of like kind of messy snowflakes on each of these. Now I'm gonna use, I would use like a dotting tool, but I think I'm gonna use just the end of this little paintbrush, but you can get sets of dotting tools in all different sizes. And yeah, okay. So, let's see. Thank you so much for watching. I will have pictures after I do this little chit chat of the finished product. They turned out super cute, and I definitely have like more. So I'm gonna wanna make more. Don't forget to check out the Woodpeckers playlist. It is a gift away. Watch all the videos, comment, and you will be entered to win $100, $120 worth of amazing Woodpeckers crafts supplies, all unfinished wood. It is such great quality. All right, have a wonderful week. Make sure to try something new. Goodbye.
Slow down, hold on, take a breath. If I could,
hi, I'm Sarah. Let me fix my hair. Okay. What is happening with your hair? Okay.
Something in my brain causes stress.
I'm so obsessed with the Meghan Trainor song, Mother. It's like, whoever gave you permission to speak, I am your mother. You listen to me. You are a bum 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 bum. Just shake your bum 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 bum.
You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, you're